Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain example that uses a append and I will give you a simple example that gives a fruits menu. Within that menu you have to choose whichever fruits you want. This is given a example with the list. I'm creating a new Python file. Py underscore fruits is the file name. Okay, customers made say choices based on the menu. I'm initializing this current choice to special character. After choosing the menu item to be added to the basket, so I'm initializing it to empty list. I'm using a while loop. Why I'm using a while loop is every time you choose as a one item until you exit from the loop, you are making a choices. You may uh, take a one choice, one fruit item, or you may take two fruit items. Different items you can add to the list. So you have a many choices until you exit the input prompt. Till then it asks for the choices, your choices. Please look at the indentation, how I am writing this program. All of the functions and methods and loops previously I discussed in the course. Try to remember and recollect what I explained earlier. follow my example, what I'm writing in a code, so it helps you to. This is the list of items that shows a menu. From the menu, you are choosing what to add the into the basket. In a while loop, at every iteration, I'm taking input from terminal. Okay, try to execute now. What happens? Please check. So adding 1 for adding F0. Okay. In a menu, I'm not shown a 0 option for to exit from the loop. 0 is working, but we have to choose from the list given. So okay, if you are given invalid input, for example, if you are given an invalid input, so again it shows a menu. If you chosen a valid input, adding 3, adding 5 and 0 to exit. Yes, it is working. Actual append we have to do here. We are shown a menu. We are trying to choose from the input, but whatever the chosen is added to the basket. So adding to the basket I am doing now. In a if loop, I am writing a another if loop. Previously, I given a list that is an empty list. I'm trying to append the choices you are made. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Fifth one. I'm just doing a modification. You need not to try to follow my code. Practice in your terminal. It helps you. Okay, try to execute it. Is there any? Okay, this is where I have to do modification. Okay, it works. Check it out. Invalid input I given, so it is did nothing. And enter 4, enter 5, enter X, finish. Okay, but it is not shown what is added to the cart. Okay, try to execute now. orange, banana. Here's something confusion giving this to be no. It is after the while loop, not in the while loop. So there is some output is Confucius. Okay, use it now. I'm using enter, enter, orange banana. Yes, it is working. I hope you got a clarity. It is showing a menu. Within the menu, a customer is choosing a item from the menu. Whatever the items are chosen, those to be added into the list. That list to be shown here. You can add some more items by adding list of items here and adding here another number and adding the code here. Three places it is to be added. If you want a more items in a menu, so you can do it yourself. I hope you got a clarity. So from this example, what I want to say is append is used for to in a list to make a choices and those choices to be added into the list. So I hope you got a clarity. See you in the next session.